so bad.
Come on, man.
No, the thing, I'm telling you, rob my car, it's raggedy. I'm telling you.
I ain't driving your car.
No, I'm saying it's raggedy.
Yeah. You
So,
gotta be careful.
Like, when I press on the thing and I go on break, it go like this and it's raggedy.
You got your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance?
I'm sorry.
You're good. And you have no seatbelt. And you don't got no seatbelt.
Who got a seatbelt? I got a seatbelt. No, I just took mine out. I just took mine out because I'm finna get out. No, it's no registration, sir. I'm sorry.
You don't got a registration for this vehicle?
No, because it's a rental. So it's the registration.
Okay, you got a driver's license?
It's at it's a this raggedy ass car.
Whose rental is this? That gave you this card?
Huh?
Whose rental?
Arbondale.
Who?
It's a man from Auburn. He rent cars out. You can look it up. It ain't embarrassing.
Thank you.
No, my car raggedy. I'm sorry. Can I step out?
Go ahead.
I'm sorry. Pregnant.
You good? You pregnant?
And
you driving like this?
My car is raggedy, sir. You can see
you was going well over 20, man.
No, I'm telling you, when I pull in, like my car, when I put it on cruise control, it's raggedy.
She about to give it to you. You got your driver's license, man?
Like that.
Man, you got your driver's license? Okay. Where y'all coming from?
They just came from over there.
Oh, from the pub? Mm-hmm. Hey, you came from your house? Smart choice.
No, we ain't come from the pub.
Oh, dang. This odd.
No, the pub. It's so stinking there. No.
Where y'all come from, ma'am? Y'all house?
Yeah, we stayed on the street.
Alright.
All of us, we sisters. Okay. Damn, I'm looking at my
What's your social? Let's do that.
It's like a trailer park. Does she have a trailer number? She's actually trying to find.
Can I just give you my name? It's Chastity. I'm sorry.
How you spell that?
C-H-A-S-I-D-Y.
C-H-A-S-I-D.
S-I-D. Damn, I want to sell it so bad.
What's your date of birth?
I heard.
You don't know your social by heart?
No, my mama always keep my social. I'm sorry.
What's your middle name, Michelle?
Who?
Are you Michelle?
No, I'm not Michelle. Lee.
What's your middle name?
Lee.
Sierra Lee?
Yes.
Alright.
No, my name is not Michelle. My middle name is not Michelle.
What's your date of birth again?
10-4, thank you.
I'm sorry, I'm scared for you.
Alright, so let's do this. You have a driver's license?
Yes, I do have a driver's
You have
license.
a driver's license? You have an ID card?
I have an ID
So
card.
you don't have a driver's license?
No.
So technically you're not allowed to be driving your vehicle?
But I have an ID. No, technically.
No,
but I'm
technically.
not. Sir, I'm 5 months pregnant.
Alright, don't make life worse. Just
Hear me out.
Yeah, I'm
You're
listening.
technically not allowed to be driving your vehicle.
Yes,
Because you don't have a driver's license.
Yes, sir. Can I call my cousin here?
just chill out.
Alright, relax. Give me a second.
Yes,
I can be taking you to jail first.
I
Alright?
understand.
You understand that?
Yes, sir.
First and foremost, I was walking. If you didn't see me, which you said you didn't see me, you could hit me.
Yeah,
You know
but
what
this
I'm
car is raggedy.
And I get that, but here's the thing. That's when you have to go and
Any one of y'all in this car got a valid driver's license? No.
I could call somebody to come get it.
But here's the thing.
No. Because you gotta have
Our house is
21
right there.
in and out
Hang
of the
tight.
car with a valid DL.
What is this? Who is this laying down like
There's two of them.
this?
You don't got a driver's license, a bad driver's license? You don't, and you say you don't got a driver's license? Alright, so here's what's gonna happen.
I could call somebody to come
If you can find someone
drive the car.
within the next 5 minutes to come and pick you up, pick you guys up with a valid driver's license, you won't go to jail.
Okay.
Alright?
Okay. Thank you.
No problem.
I went in and get my salad.
He has a valid driver's license. He got a valid driver's license. Let him, you got 5 minutes. Alright?
Can I run and get a salad?
Put your shoes on, you can get a salad.
Come on. Y'all want some out of there?
I'm good.
I want this salad so bad.
So you get you see the issue that we're
Yeah,
having,
that's what I understand. Y'all doing y'all job. Just how we can get them people over.
It's not even about that. It's just, one, I ain't gonna lie, you driving reckless. Rather not the vehicle
car's
has
raggedy,
issues,
yeah, I understand.
you driving reckless, you're 5 months pregnant, and you're driving without a driver's license.
Yeah, somebody be out there killing me right now.
So, and then you got other people in the vehicle. These are your sisters, correct?
Yes, we
So guess what? It's the worst case scenario, you would have gotten an accident and they would have ended up dead. That would have been you.
I understand.
It don't matter if
Somebody gotta drive this car.
anybody that got a bad driver's license, I don't care if they're 17 or 18, if they got a valid driver's license, they can drive this vehicle.
Right.
That's it.
Not a
Well,
learner's
bring
license.
that bring Boone because somebody got to drive this car. Not a learner's license, a driver's license.
All car that got driver's license. I'm
Okay.
the only one that got license. I didn't sign up.
Is this vehicle registered to you, ma'am?
Yes. It's a rental from Arbondale. It's a buy
You have
here.
the documentation
It's
for
a little
that?
buy here, pay here.
I got you, but do you have the documentation for
I
that?
clicked the, that's what I'm saying. I clicked the car out, so I threw everything in the house.
So who's tag? You said it's registered to you?
Yeah,
Is
it's
it
a-
only registered to you or somebody else?
No, it's probably registered in their name. The buy here,
Yeah, this
pay
car,
here.
this car not registered to you because I would have seen it on my little thing.
A buy here, pay here. A buy here, pay here, but it's like a.
All right, just go get the salad because I feel like you finna lie about something. It's
No,
gonna make me argue
no,
with
what
you.
I'm saying is it's a, you know, buy here, pay here, they rent their car.
All right, go ahead. Just go ahead, please.
All right.
We don't want to make life worse, please.
Don't
Don't.
run,
I'm not
please.
looking like one, I'm pregnant.
Yeah, you almost hit me. Pregnant. You're driving with the ID. Come on, and y'all know she don't got a driver's license? Let's be honest.
I didn't know that.
You ain't know that?
I didn't know that. I didn't know that.
Here's the thing. I get it. Listen, I get you guys trying to have fun, but here's the thing.
I'm trying to go to sleep. Y'all making my head.
Who? Okay, that's not my problem, ma'am. Because this vehicle smells like marijuana. So, matter of fact, everybody step out the vehicle. Yes, it does. Everybody step out the vehicle. Yes, it does. Everybody step out the vehicle. I smelled it. I wasn't even trying to do all that. I wasn't even trying to do all that.
I ain't gonna lie. You can take me.
I don't test nobody. We don't have test kits. But the vehicle does smell like marijuana. I smelled it as hear me out. I smelled it as soon as I came into the car. I wasn't trying to do all that. I was just trying to give you guys a warning. But since
No, I wasn't talking to y'all.
okay, I thought you were talking to me. So is there anything inside the vehicle I should be concerned about, worried about? Alright, we're open the door. We're gonna be here a minute. It's not coming
I
after
gotta bring
nobody.
my purse out with me.
You can leave your purse, it's fine.
We got to shit.
You just stand right there, you're straight.
Wait, I gotta get out.
Yes ma'am, everybody gotta get out. Am I gonna find anything? Be honest. A little bit, a roach.
I don't smoke. Don't even know. I don't do no type of
Trying to work with y'all, man. But
No, that's good. We just walk with us. My hand is I'm ready to lay down.
listen, it's walking.
Dealing with this car all night.
We're doing rounds, and this car comes in, almost hits me. I pull over. Driver doesn't have, almost hits me, walking. Driver don't got a, nobody got a bad driver's license. She got an ID. The vehicle don't come up to her. It comes out to some shit around there. And it smells like straight weed.
Well, she told me earlier that she's not the one driving.
No, not her. The pregnant girl inside. Yeah. I knew I was lying. I smelled something. I got a good nose. A little. Mm-hmm.
706, 77.
I'm 10-12. Go ahead.
The traffic, I'm sorry. I was just checking to see if you guys were still on the call with Office Club in 77.
You know, y'all can leave. Y'all good? Yeah, y'all can leave. Yeah, y'all can. If you can walk, you can leave. You don't gotta be here. No, they're all good. It's just a driver. Driver's license. Except you got a permit, but that's not even good. And then she pregnant, and the car smells like that.
I never been.
I'm not saying y'all smoking nothing, but I'm just saying it ain't worth it. You know what I'm saying?
I never been drunk.
It ain't worth to go either. All right.
Yeah, don't go to jail.
Don't go.
No charges.
It ain't. Listen,
Sector 50 within 24 record highway.
Your friend or whoever she is was walking her way into a charge. Lying.
can you do me a favor? I'm not going to a woman's bathroom and seeing if there's a black female there with a white shirt on. Where your friend at?
Where'd she go?
Your friend, the driver.
I don't know. She was right there when we came out the store. She had the salad.
Oh, man, I don't know.
Where's? Cause I don't see her.
Because I went in and you was there after you guys.
She's a Bravo, Foxtrot, white shirt, little She was in the bathroom because I just checked.
No, you guys, them, I was in the bathroom. I said
She said she was in the bathroom. We don't know what she was like.
She had black slides.
She was standing right outside when I came out.
5'10".
Well, what happened? One of y'all had phones, right? I don't got her number.
The cousin. The guy that drove y'all.
No, she's not the girl. What happened?
I know, but I'm saying.
Where's she at? Because she just left. And she left the vehicle.
She left.
Oh my God.
All right, 10 for.
I can call her.
If she's here, call her. Because if not, guess what?
She was just outside.
If she's here, call her. Because I just went to the bathroom, ain't nobody there, and I just walked the whole store.
I swear to
So
God.
here's the call.
Ricky, call the number. You don't have to call.
I don't even think she got her phone. Her phone, that's on my phone.
Oh, don't worry. We'll find her. We got her information. So guess what? So now.
I'm going to look for her for y'all. And she must like know that she ran. I'm going to sit here.
She was going to get a warning, I told y'all.
So she was right now when I came out of the bathroom.
Now she just made the whole situation worse for no reason. She left. What's up, boss man?
Huh?
What's up, boss man?
What y'all waiting on?
What's up, the driver?
Y'all waiting on the driver?
Yes, sir.
So they can't leave until you get the
You
driver?
can't leave until we get the driver. Yes, sir. So technically, driver's driving a motor vehicle without a driver's license.
Yeah.
All right. Vehicle smells like marijuana,
Yeah.
and I almost got hit by the vehicle. Yes, sir.
So why they can't leave? Though? That's what I'm saying.
Because it was inside the car. Yes, sir. Until we find the driver, nobody's leaving. What's going on, ma'am? Why you leave?
I didn't leave.
Yes,
That's
you
what
did.
I'm saying. Everybody keep thinking I'm
Ma'am,
leaving.
you did leave. You did leave.
I am telling the truth. I'm not going to lie to
Listen,
you.
we walked the whole plaza. Listen, hear me out. Before you say anything, hear me out. Matter of fact, we just talk over there, all right? Come over here.
I just talked to you.
No,
I
over
want
here.
to
No,
talk.
they females. Stop over there.
Huh?
Ma'am, just go over there and talk.
Tell them what you want. Are you what you're saying? Like I'm not going to come back because they're going to arrest me?
That is disgusting.
No, I didn't mean
So
to. I'm trying to
here's the
get
thing.
shit.
Listen. So here's the thing. I was giving you a break. I
know
told you.
Will, sir.
So then why did you
I'm
leave?
scared. I was just talking about when y'all first were
Listen.
scared.
Why did you leave? Hey, why did you leave?
653. They were no
Why did
longer
you leave?
landline. I tried to get landline. I left a voicemail from them.
That's it.
You want me to go ahead and do this call to the one you're on?
That's all. I just want to go home. I
Well,
came out
I'm
here
going to
to
be the
get a
one that's
salad.
causing the noise. I'm also
I
10-12
sold
with
my money. Came out here to get a salad. I'm
Why
paying
did you
it.
leave?
Copy. Thank
I just told you.
Are you at 2200?
For real, sir. All just aside. For real.
Yes, fine.
You know, it went
I
from
know now.
something so dumb to something so
I
extra.
know. Then y'all said I don't smoke weed. That
It
sounds
smelled,
like
the
weed.
vehicle smelled like marijuana, and I found green leafy buzz all over the
Probably my
vehicle.
baby daddy in the car.
32
That's the thing. It wasn't that serious until it became that, okay?
Into the marijuana.
No, the traffic stop. The whole reason I pulled you over.
Yeah, I thought you were talking about the marijuana.
We don't care about no damn marijuana.
No, I don't know.
Unless you like out here selling it, distributing
No,
it,
that's
got
what
all
I'm
that
saying. I'm
stuff.
pregnant. I don't smoke. I don't drink. I do nothing. I eat fruits, water, salad all day. I just want to go. I live right down the street. I just want to go home and lay down and rub on my belly.
You see? Turn around. You're gonna be going to jail, all right?
Okay. Yo!
Oh, I thought you had them.
You're good. You know why you're going to jail, right? Because you left. I gave you a warning. And just because you left, you made it way harder than adequate. You understand?
Yes, sir.
It wasn't that serious.
I was scared,
And
sir.
I get that, but I gave you a warning. And I told everybody, if you had somebody picking up the vehicle, you wouldn't go to jail.
But I had somebody come get, sir, please, sir. Please, y'all. Please, y'all. I don't want to go to jail,
I want you
y'all.
falling.
I know. I'm sorry.
You good? I want you falling.
You got anything on you?
No, so you can check my pocket.
Poke stick?
Can you get my cousin my money?
No, give us a second. Give us a second.
You want to leave anything with them?
That's what I'm saying. Can you get my money?
Don't pull.
Can y'all come get my money, y'all?
Give us a second. Stay over there. Give us a second.
Turn.
Let's do this. Face the vehicle. All right, so here's the thing. You guys are good. She's going to be going to jail. All right? Yes, sir. She's going to be going to jail. The reason why she's going to jail, because she left. She wasn't here. She wasn't here. So we're not going to, don't lie to my face. She was not here. We had the whole. No, I'm not saying you guys. I'm not saying we're not playing this game. She went. I gave her a warning. I told all you guys, hey, she'll be straight. Let have somebody pick up the vehicle. Just give us a second.
Look.
I told her, hey, if you spawn, you was here, you had somebody pick up the vehicle, you'll be good. She decided to leave.
Hey, boss, you lied to me, bro.
I ain't lied to you.
I just lost all respect.
You can lose my respect.
No,
Guess what?
nah.
Who's that associate
That ain't
to?
real, bro.
Hey, who's that associate?
It ain't real.
It ain't real having a pregnant girl drive a car with no driver's license.
Keep it up, bro.
Yeah, it smell like weed. That ain't real. Come on, man.
Why you keep it real?
Come on, man. That ain't real. All right. You can drive the vehicle. Do you have a valid driver's license?
He gonna drive.
Let me see your driver's license, boss man.
You driving out
It ain't like that, though. Plus it's quarters or something.
Something got to check.
No, I don't want to go to jail.
I know.
You wouldn't even want to jail.
You wouldn't even
What
got
he
a
told
traffic ticket.
He just told him, hey, get somebody to come get the car.
And I did that. I'm sorry, man.
Yeah, but when you left, that's what did it. That was like disrespectful because we was trying to work with you.
I know y'all.
Especially, yeah.
Everything happened for a reason.
And so it's a busy weekend. It's a holiday weekend. We've had a busy night. We really don't.
We wasn't really trying to do
Yeah,
that.
we really not trying to do all this.
If he want to hurt you, he would do the mama.
Call somebody on my phone.
Yeah, come on, auntie. Get my phone.
Where's your phone?
It's in the car.
It's dead.
Oh,
Who were you on the phone with earlier?
auntie.
How were you on the phone when he was on the phone with you?
Who?
He was on the phone with you.
I was never on the phone.
That was another person. That was not her.
The one who said, if I come back, they're going to arrest me? That wasn't her?
Wasn't me.
Well, who else would he be talking to?
Oh, that wasn't me.
All right, man.
Wait, he was on the phone with
The
somebody?
little lies are so unnecessary. All right, where's brother? Where's brother?
He pulled up in the...
Oh, I was told to give this to brother. Thank you. You're welcome. So it's a necklace, the hair tie, 2 earrings, and then more money than my bank account.